Item number 3, consider approving the placement of a purchase order with Gillig for the purchase of one 29-foot compressed natural gas, I believe I'm pronouncing it correctly, but Gillig low-floor bus in the amount of $763,755 and two 40-foot compressed natural gas low-floor Gillig buses for Grand Valley Transit in the amount of $786,213 each, totaling $2,336,181.00. Dana Brosig, RFT PO Director, to present.
Good morning, Commissioners. Dana Brosig, our TPO Director. So this is a purchase order, as you described, for 3 low-floor buses. Those are the larger buses that you see kind of on our fixed route. And we have 2 funding sources for this. One is a competitive grant through the FTA 5339 grant program, and then the other one is some carbon reduction plan funds. And the match ratio is different for those. For the 5339 funds, it's 15% local, 85% federal. And then for the carbon reduction, it's 20% local and 80% federal funds. And these buses, all buses have an end life or useful life. So these buses will be used to replace some of our older buses in our system.
All right. Commissioners, do you have any questions or comments on this item?
No questions. Thank you, Dana.
Thanks, Dana.
Thank you, Dana. Does anyone in the audience have any questions or comments on this item? All right, seeing none, I will entertain a motion to approve the item as published.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion carries 3-0.